So what is a normally what is a strategy? What do you understand by the term strategy?
Strategy is a method or a way that you are using to support your goal and activity or something that you try to find way.
A strategy is like a plan
Yeah.
or method by which you try to achieve your goals or your vision. So it's a plan of action or method designed to achieve a goal or a vision. So it can be goal, can be anything. It can be a vision. It can be a normal objective also. It's all about gaining the position of advantage of position over your competitors or adversaries, or exploiting the emerging possibilities. So strategy you can make to to overcome your competitor, or to handle an issue, avoid a critics, right? So we discussed in the American Airlines case study case, they had a strategy to reduce to have a communication strategy to reduce the adversaries, to break the allies, right? So that's all a part of a big strategy. So that's action or communication or the company's action plan doesn't come out of air. If you are not strategizing the whole part of the story or organization, all part of the activities, then it may not match together, right? So strategy is actually to align all the peoples, all the departments into one goal as well. So that's the meaning of plan, strategic planning. So it's a detailed plan to achieve success in situations like a war, politics, business, sports, or industry. So did you have you hear about war strategies? War strategies, like when two countries make a war, where how they are going to attack the enemy, how they are going to defend from the attacks, how they are going to protect the public property, correct? So these are all war strategies. Sometimes you may want to go by land, want to go by air, you want to go by ports, you want to involve your allies, you want to create internal conflicts within the country to weak the opponent. So there are different type of strategies that helps you to win the war. So in business, usually strategies may involve to achieve your vision. So you may have customer growth, you may have customer efficiency, sales growth, cost minimization. So you may have different type of strategies to achieve your goal, correct? So normally, for example, the examples of some vision or goals can be like to be the most trusted retailer where people love to work and shop. That can be a vision, right? Cancer Research UK has a vision of accelerate progress and see 3/4 of people surviving a disease within the next 20 years. So that is a goal from the Cancer Research. It can be National Trust, who has an issue like combat issues such as climate change and safeguard the special places for future generations. So that is their vision. So these are their goals. So now these organizations will make strategies to achieve these particular goals. So first thing in strategy is to have a goal, is to have a vision. So strategies always starts with what is the objective in the mind. So we always start with the end in our minds, correct? So we want to know what do we want to achieve by this particular strategy. How we will measure our success. Are we successful or not successful? So we will measure by comparing them against our vision or our goal. So this is an example of University of Oxford. So this presentation is actually is a part of University of Oxford, so which I am sharing here. So University of Oxford has a strategy of a goal of to lead the world in research organization in which the society can get benefit, right? So these are theirs. Then they have a strategic plan. You can see on their website is available strategic plan for 2013 to 18. So they make a 5-year strategy to reach their vision. Correct?
I can't find this slide.
No, these slides are not yet on the classroom. Okay, so now we can think of take some minutes, so we can focus on what is your mission or vision. So it can be your mission, your vision, or your company's vision. Correct? So if you don't have, create one vision or goal. If you don't have it, create one. If you have it, just keep in mind, okay, this is what is our goal or what is the mission, because then once we go further in the slides, then you will need to use it. So what is a communication strategy?